Hello, my dear students. I am Pushpa Vardarajan from Army Public School, Bangalore. In this video, you are going to learn linear equation in one variable for class 8th. In 6th standard, you know already, in algebra, we use letters or the English alphabets along with the numbers. These letters are called literals or variables or unknown numbers. And an algebraic expression is a combination of some variables and constants. If I say 4, you can write 4 and then you can show that in the symbol. But if I say the value of the equation is x, or if I say my age is x, you have to find out what is the value of x, and these are called variables, and its value goes on varying, and by solving you have to find the value of x. Now we are going to solve few sum from the textbook related to linear equation. Now you have learned an expression, that is, if you add 5x to 3, and if you write is equal to in between 5x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 7. If I say 5x plus 3, it is an expression. 5 times x is added to 3 and 4 times x is added to 7. It is an equation because there is equal to in between. And here we have got left hand side and right hand side. We have got left hand side and right hand side, and it is like a balance where few terms are the numbers are there in left hand side as well as in the right hand side. And there are 3 methods in finding the value of x. One method which I have learned in 6th standard, where it is trial and error method. Keep on substituting the value x equal to 0, x equal to 1, x equal to 2, x equal to 3, like that in both sides of the equation till you get left hand side it is equal to right hand side. It is a lengthy method. And one more method is there, and that is balancing the term method, balancing the equation by adding same numbers or the same numbers to both sides of the equation until you get left hand side is equal to right hand side, and then find the value of x. And this is also a lengthy method. When the answer is very when the value of x is 1, 2, 3, like that, you can use that method. And when the value of x equal to a fraction or a decimal or a 10, 12, like that, then you have to use the another method that is called transposing the terms method. Here transpose, send all variables to one side and numbers to other side by changing sign. If you want to send some numbers from left hand side to right hand side, you have to change the sign. That is, plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Here 5x and I'm sending 4x from left hand side to right hand side. That is 5x minus 4x is equal to 7 plus 3 will become minus 3, and you will get 1x. 5x minus 4x is 1x is equal to 4. That means value of x is 4. You can check the answer by substituting. To check, substitute x equal to 4 in the given equation. Left hand side is equal to 5x plus 3 is equal to 5 into 4 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is equal to 23, and RHS 4x plus 3, that is 4 4s are, see here, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 3 is 23. Here 4x plus 7 it is, 4x plus 7, that is plus 7, 16 plus 7 is equal to 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. 26, 4 4s are 16. That in left hand side here there is 4x plus 7, and value of x is 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 4, that is 27. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence the answer is correct. Now 5x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 7 is a linear equation. Here we are having only one variable x. In the higher class, you are going to learn equation in two variables, and then along with that, degree of the variable is 1 here. Therefore, we call this as an linear equation. Now 5x plus 3 is equal to 4x plus 7 is linear equation in one variable. And then here in this method, transpose, send all variables to one side and numbers to the other side by changing the sign. Now 5x minus 4x is equal to 7 minus 3, and therefore 1x equal to 4. Value of x is 4. Now to check, substitute x equal to 4 in the given equation. In left hand side, it is 5x plus 3, 5 4s are 20, plus 3, it is 23. In right hand side, it is 4 4s are 16, plus 7, 16 plus 16 plus 7 is equal to 23. LHS is equal to RHS, hence the answer is correct. Now one more sum from the textbook. It is 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now first step is left hand side and right hand side. It is in left hand side there is 8x plus 4, and right hand side there is 3 into x minus 1 plus 7. Now remove the bracket. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 3 plus 7, and transpose. Next step is transpose all variables to one side and numbers to other side by changing sign. Bring all the variables to one side and numbers to other side by changing sign. Therefore, it is 8x minus 3x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 3 plus 7 minus 4 is equal to minus 7 plus 7. 8x minus 3x is 5x is equal to minus 7 plus 7 is 0. Therefore, x is equal to 0 by 5. That is value of x is 0. Now, to check, substitute x equal to 0 in the given equation. That is, left hand side is equal to 8x plus 4. That is 8 into 0 plus 4 is equal to 0 plus 4 is equal to 4, and RHS is that is 3 into x minus 1 plus 7, 3x minus 3 plus 7, 3 into 0 minus 3 plus 7, and that is 0. 0 into 0 is 3 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 3 plus 7. That is 0 minus 3 and plus 7. Plus 7. That is equal to 4. That gives you LHS is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, the answer is correct. Hence, the answer is correct. Now, one more sum from the textbook, that is 2y plus 5 by 3 is equal to 26 by 3 minus y. Now bring all the variables. The first step always is to see what is there in left hand side and what is there in right hand side. And then here bring all the variables to one side and transpose. Send all variables to one side, and numbers to other side by changing sign. This step you have to remember always. You have to transpose all the variables to one side and numbers to the other side. If there is a bracket, you have to remove it. Then you have to start. That is 2y plus y is equal to 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. That is 26 minus 5 is 121 by 3. 21 by 3, that is 3y is equal to 21 by 3. That gives you 3y is equal to 7 and y is equal to 7 by 3. Y is equal to 7 by 3. Now one more last sum, same method. The method is same and only thing is, even if there is fraction or decimal, whatever it is, you can use the same method. That is last one more question. That is m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. You have to see that you have copied the sum properly. m minus 1 by 2, 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. That you know already. The first step is to see that what is there in left hand side and what is there in right hand side. Then m can be written as m by 1, and here it is m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. 1 can be written as 1 by 1, and here m minus 2 by 3, and send all variables to one side. That is m by 1 minus m minus 1 by 2 plus m minus 2 by 3 is equal to 1. LCM is 6. 1 6 that is 6m, and 2 3s are 3 into m minus 1 plus 3 2s are, that is 2 into m minus 2 is equal to 1. That is 6m minus 3m minus 3 and then minus into minus plus 3, and then here plus 2m minus 4 is equal to 1, and there is cross multiply. 1 into 6 is 6 here. You have to cross multiply. Now here 6m minus 3m, 6m minus 3m plus 2m is there in the left hand side, and then here 6 into 1 is 6 plus 3 and minus 4. 6 plus that gives you, now here 6 minus 3 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5m is equal to 9 minus 5m is equal to 9 minus here 6m minus 3m plus 2m, and here 2m minus 2, that is 6 minus 6m minus 3m is 3m, 3m plus 2m is 5m, and in the right hand side it is 6 minus plus 3 will become, this is plus 3 will become minus 3, plus 3 will become, here plus 3 has become minus 3, and here minus 4 has become plus 4. That means here 6 minus 3 is 3 and 3 plus 4 is 7. Therefore, 5m is equal to 7. That gives you m is equal to 7 by 5. See here in this step, m you have to write it as m by 1, m minus 1 by 2 and 1 minus m minus 2 by 3, and bring all the variables to one side and numbers to the other side. M can be written as m by 1, and here m minus 1 by 2 is there, and m minus 2 by 3 is there, is equal to 1. LCM is 6, and then 6 ones are 1 into 6 into m is 6m, and then 2 3s are that is 3m minus 3m minus into minus is plus, therefore plus 3, and then here 3 2s are 2m minus 4, that is equal to, if you cross multiply, that's 6 was there in the denominator, and then if you cross multiply you will get 6, therefore 6m minus 3m plus 2m, that is 6 minus 3 is 3 plus 2 is 5m, and you have sent plus 3 from this side to other side, therefore it has become minus 3, and minus 4 you have sent from left hand side to right hand side, therefore it has become plus 4. Therefore 5m is equal to 7, therefore m is equal to 7 by 5. Now see, in this video you have learnt that linear equation has got two sides. That is, in left hand side one expression will be there, and right hand side one expression will be there. An expression is a combination of some letters and the variables. And there are three methods. One is trial and error method, where you have to keep on substituting the value till you get left hand side is equal to right hand side. It's a very lengthy method. And the other method is balancing the terms, balancing the equation by adding or subtracting same numbers to both sides of the equation. Other method is that transposing term method. This is the method where we use in all the linear equation while solving. And here you have to transpose all the variable from left hand side to right hand side and all the constants from one side to other side by changing the sign, and then find the value of the equation, a value of x or y, whatever variable it is. And thank you for watching.